Every child is a different but beautiful kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden worth living. And now for all of you, I have a self-composed poem. I wish you like it. In a world that sparkles and gleams so bright, dear children, you are wonder, pure and delight. With strong hearts and spirits true, though you have special needs, but with brilliant hues. Your smiles are like the rays of the sun. Whenever you face a challenge, there's surely a victory you won. With courage, vast dreams that soar, you show each one of us that being innocent is what truly for. Your laughter is a melody sweet. In your presence, believe me, our life in school seems complete. With gentle hearts and minds so wise, dear children, you all are the bright stars in our dull skies. So here's to you, dear young and small. May your spirits always stand tall. On this special day, we celebrate the wonders and phenomenal deeds that you create. At last, I would like to wish each one of us present here a very, very happy Children's Day, including the teachers, because dil to bacha hai ji.
And happy Children's Day. Today's word of the day is philoprogenitive, meaning relating to or characterized by a love for children or the act of producing and nurturing offspring. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead. Before coming to the news, I would like to take a moment to express my love for you. Today is a day filled with joy, laughter and celebration because it's all about you. Our wonderful children, you bring light, love, limitless potential in our world. Today, we celebrate your innocence, your dreams and the bright future you hold. A very happy Children's Day to each one of you. Thank you for making us laugh and filling our lives with joy. Here are the few headlines related to you all from the month of October and November. Let's come to moral values first. Grade 6A launched a delightful happiness jar activity where students shared moments of joy and positivity with one another. On 20th of October, their jar of happiness overflowed, leading to a joyous class celebration. The students expressed their cheer by sharing sweets with the teachers as a token of pride and love. Now let's come to AI Technovation. We are thrilled to share that Jayant Singh of grade 7th E has successfully built an innovative AI project named as an automatic boom barrier system, showcasing remarkable creativity and technical skills. Additionally, Bhavesh of 9th A amazed everyone by creating a functional drone, demonstrating impressive engineering and problem-solving skills. Now let's take a look at athletics achievement. Congratulations to Antriksh Tyagi of the grade 9 who clinched a gold medal in SFA Delhi Athletics Championship 2024. We are incredibly proud of his outstanding performance. Let's come to history now. The students of 8th brought history to life by portraying the revolt of 1857, exploring the perspectives of key historical figures and events. Now, we have forgotten one, that is art and culture. I am pleased to announce that Isha Sharma of grade 8C has been awarded with the title Artist of the Month. Now, the shooting championship. A A big round of applause for Kushagra Mittal of grade 10th B who has qualified for 43rd North Zone Shooting Championship 2024. He excelled in the 10-meter AI pistol event, competing in the sub-youth men's individual category. Now, last but not the least, I am thrilled to now inform you that grade 11 and 12 students bagged 4th position in SFA Cup in basketball by beating quite renowned schools. That's okay for today. Thank you so much, and once again a very happy Children's Day, everyone.
A huge round of applause for all the performing teachers out here, your facilitators, dear children, as they brought the child in them out up on the stage. It takes courage. A huge round of applause to all the members out here. To all the participating performers out here, the facilitators, they expressed their love through the script, through the songs, dance. I see a lot of children disturbed there. My dear children, there are many other ways to grab the attention. You have so many areas to perform than just being naughty. The naughtiness, the mischievousness in you should always be alive, but choose it very cautiously where to exhibit, where to showcase. On this Children's Day, I know I am new to you all and you are new to me. It takes settling time, it takes time to adjust, to settle, but I'm sure once we settle our scores together, it's going to be a meaningful, joyful journey, and we are all going to discover the joy of learning, joy of being together, my dear children. As ma'am rightly said, it is all about you, and we are here to give you directions. Ma'am, I think we heard them singing, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई भी ना जाने हम क्या करने वाले, you really don't know. So we are here to give you those directions and directions alone. Parents have given you expectations and they are directing you. Teachers are in this field of counseling, career mapping, they'll guide you through. So you must get engaged and involved in this whole process of teaching and learning. My compliments to all the teachers, to all the members out here who are here for this vision and on this mission, because we have a common vision, and along with that common vision that we hold for our school, it is very clear that we are all digging here the happiness quotient. The IQ, EQ, SQ, all will fall in place if we have the HQ in place. And my dear children, you must understand that the leader who has just taken over firmly believes together we walk an extra mile and we have an enriched child. So looking forward to a meaningful journey together. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. Never let that child in you die down. That is for my teachers also, and that is also for my children. So grow up graciously and make a good name, I'm sure, of your achievements. I'm really sure of your remarkable progression. So allow us to give you that mapping, help us to direct you to the right path. Thank you all. Happy Children's Day.